You trying to eat your own peas?
Wait, where's the phone?
She ditched it.
Where is it?
She didn't think she needed it.
Where is it? Ditched it?
She ditched it.
I need it.
No, you don't need her
I
spoon.
do. I want it. Oh dear. I want that. Stop. I want that phone. Thank you. Please have some of this or no?
Yeah, if you want it.
Okay. So is that
You want to feed it to her?
I want to eat it.
Okay.
I can't eat it.
So eat it. What do you think? Why don't you feed some to her? Emma, that's hers. Do not take it away from her.
No.
Emma, it's hers. Don't take it away from her. That's her supper.
No. I'll take it off. Okay. My sister don't want her food. Probably I'm eating it all.
You like those peas, Charlotte? Yeah.
I want this money.
Yeah, Emma likes them too. You better eat them before they're gone. What about this? You want some water?
What's that? I'm eating it all up. I don't want it.
You are eating it all up, you
I
big.
am eating it all up. I'm eating this all up.